3 minutes, you're going to find out what 99% other so-called travel credit cards hiding from you. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don, and today I'll talk about what 99% other credit cards are hiding from you. So you can be paying a $700 annual fee for American Express Platinum card, or you can be paying $250 annual fee for American Express Gold card, or Visa Infinite Privilege card by TD, RBC, or CIBC. You can be paying $400. But what they're not telling you is that whenever you're making foreign transaction purchases, they're going to charge you at 2.5% foreign currency fee, and also some of these cards, they even do not come with free lounge access. So, for example, the American Express Gold card, which has an annual fee of $250, but it doesn't give you global lounge access. On paper, it looks like it's giving you lounge access because it just gives you 4 lounge free passes for the Canadian airports, but it doesn't have access for global lounge passes. So now none of these cards have free foreign currency transaction fee. So these are the things or secret they don't want to tell you, but you can pick a credit card which has only $140 annual fee, such as here we have the Scotia Passport Visa Infinite card, and this is actually the only one card in Canada which gives you both 6 free passes to access lounge globally for free, and also it doesn't charge you any 2.5% foreign currency transaction fee. So whenever you are traveling or going outside your own home country, then just make sure that your credit card gives you free lounge passes and doesn't charge you foreign currency transaction fee. And most of these other travel credit cards, which they are marketing themselves as travel credit cards, for example, American Express Platinum, American Express Gold, or TD Visa Infinite Privilege card, RBC, CIBC, they all charge you 2.5% foreign currency transaction fee. So these are the 2 secrets. One is no free lounge access, and one is the foreign currency transaction fee other credit cards are hiding from you. Now, if you're watching this video from outside Canada, and then this cards I just mentioned may not apply to you, but you have to just find a card in your base country where they offer you both free lounge passes and no foreign currency transaction fee. So for the next travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.